You're welcome back to my channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Let me take you back on what happened yesterday in the love part. Ultimate Love, Ike's ex-girlfriend visited love part. Ike held her hand as she body shamed Teresa. Ike ship had their own troubles when Auntie decided to play some tricks on Friday night on some of the love guests. It was unexpected. Just when we thought all was well, ships were settled and there were no more plot twists, Auntie rocked the boat like an Aaliyah song. In the midst of the Friday night party, while the love couples were getting down to the DJ fire mix, Auntie turned up the heat hotter than a Lagos afternoon by sending in a truly special guest into the love pad. The guest in question was none other than Onyinye, the ex-girlfriend of Ike. Her entrance undoubtedly caught him off guard, but the drama didn't end there. As the pair headed to the private booth, it wasn't long before Ike was helplessly grilling from ear to ear and having the toughest of time fighting off Onyinye's tongue-in-cheek remarks. She wasted no time inquiring why he had chosen someone so much slimmer than him when she knows he likes them thick. She even offered to sleep over if the producers would let her. The icing on the scattered wedding cake was when the exes found themselves holding hands briefly as they took a trip down memory lane. Through it all, Teresa put on a brave face, but there was no masking the pain in the moment. Thankfully, Onyinye eventually had to say her goodbyes, and love guests like Kachi were quick to offer an understanding shoulder to lean on in the moment. When all was said and done, Ike played it off cool, but things were clearly tense and might take a little time to settle. Many have questioned the reason why Ike is seeking for love at 24, and he has referred to Teresa being an optometrist as one of the reasons he chooses her. Onyinye is based in Lagos and Arnold claims he knows her and her family, and quoting that she is a good person, but her relationship with Ike ended 5 years ago. So guys, what do you think about this Ike ship? I'm really scared for them, man. Last night was hot. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And also guys, if you're a new viewer to this channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when the story drops. Thank you and stay tuned.